A tragic early morning crash in the Bronx. A car slammed into two trucks near Hunts Point Market, killing one person and injuring four others. It happened around 4:40 a.m. on Bruckner Boulevard Service Road. The white sedan struck a tractor-trailer and a box truck, then spun out of control and crashed. 3 people had to be pulled from a badly damaged car. Emergency crews rushed the driver, a 29-year-old woman, to hospital, but she died of her injuries. A 26-year-old female passenger is in critical condition. Another passenger and both truck drivers were also taken to hospital and are listed in stable condition. Authorities have closed part of Bruckner Boulevard for the investigation, and the crash triggered a hazardous fuel spill from a 13-wheel tractor-trailer. The police collision investigation squad is now working to determine exactly what caused the crash. It's a sad reminder. A typical early morning drive turned deadly in seconds. Our thoughts with the victims and their families.